Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni. This is the older version of the La Pavoni purchased from Thomas Cara himself, which is, if you know anything about coffee culture in the day, he's a big player for why the Pavonis are in the Bay Area. But besides that, it came in for a few things. One, mainly that the water level sight glass that tells you how much water is in the machine was completely clogged. When we looked in it, there's quite a lot of scaling without doing a lot of work, as in taking off the whole boiler itself and soaking the thing. We did the best that we could to unclog it, and from all my testing, I've been testing with this thing a little bit, quite a bit today. It seems to be working normal, and so we got this thing up to temp, and we're just going to brew a shot real quick. We did not do a tune-up on this machine. We did highly recommend it, but the customer did void the tune-up on this one this time around. Don't know if the gaskets are going to be leaking or anything along the lines. This is one of the first shots we're brewing on this machine, but it is what it is at the moment. And also, we replaced this sight glass. This is the older version of the Pavoni sight glass, as you can see, with the red lettering, and we replaced it with a brand new one. And so we're going to make a shot. Put that in there. Just layer this down just because we don't have a drip tray with the machine, and we're going to brew a shot. Pouring this up. So I hear the water sink, and now we're going to start pushing down. We're using our really good grinder that we typically use for Pavoni machines and also for other machines. There's a shot. Might have put a little too much coffee, but perfectly fine. Really wanting to test if that group head gasket is still holding back pressure, or if you're leaking from the sides of the gasket. That's perfectly fine. Looking more on the ristretto side, all a ristretto is a bunch of coffee packed in your portafilter and then brewing at a really high pressure like we are now, which is fine. It's just for testing purposes. And we hit the bottom. Now usually there's no way for all the pressure in the group head to release anywhere, so usually you just want to keep your portafilter there until all that pressure leaks out, and then you take your portafilter off and of course clean your group head and stuff like that. And then just for purposes, steam on, still as it is. Again, we didn't do anything to clean or if there is clogging, unclog it, but it seems perfectly fine. And yeah. That is a ristretto out of this new Pavoni, or semi-new Pavoni. And that's it for this video. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.